Number 11. A small candy container is shaped like a cylinder. The manufacturer wraps a label around the curved surface of the can. Use the ruler on the math chart to measure the height and radius of the cylinder in centimeters. So in centimeters. Which of the following is the closest to the area of the label? Let's circle area of the label in square centimeters. So looking at this cylinder, we know that the label will not cover the top nor the bottom of the cylinder. So in math terms, another way to think of that is the lateral surface area is equivalent to the amount of space the label will take up on this cylinder. So let's take out your math chart and let's find the formula for lateral surface area of a cylinder. It's right here. 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. So this means 2 times pi times radius times height. Now we're going to plug, then chug. But before we can plug in our measurements for radius and height, we need to take out the centimeter ruler on our math chart and measure the height of the cylinder as precisely as we can. So it looks like it's 6.1234 centimeters in height. So I'm going to write that so I don't forget. 6.4 centimeters is the height. Now the radius. The radius is starting at the center of the circle. The radius is approximately 1 centimeter. Approximately 1 centimeter. So now we have the measurements that we can plug into the lateral surface area formula. 2 times pi, we're going to round pi to 3, times the radius, which we're estimating to be 1. It may be a little greater than 1, but we can just round it to 1, times the height, which is 6.4. We're not going to round 6.4 to 6 because that's going to have a material effect on our answer. So now we're going to multiply these numbers, first come, first serve, so left to right. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. So we're left with 6.4 times 6. And we get 38.4 is the lateral surface area of this cylinder. And we know that surface area is always represented by units squared. Number 12. Quaker Oats cereal comes in a box that measures 5 inches wide, 11 inches high, and 3 inches deep. How many square inches of cardboard are needed to make the box? Well, this question is asking for the total surface area of a prism. So let's look at our math chart. We're going to write the formula for total surface area of a prism. It's right here. So surface area of a prism equals perimeter of the base times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. So let's think about this for a minute. So we're given the dimensions of the Quaker Oats cereal box. So let's draw a picture. We're going to draw a picture of a prism. And it says the box is 5 inches wide, 11 inches high, and 3 inches deep. So we first need to find the perimeter of the base. That's the capital P in the formula. Well, I'm going to shade my base. This is my base of the cereal box. So the perimeter of the base is 16, 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3. The height is given to you. It's 11. And now we need to find the area of the base. The area of the base is just 5 times 3. Because the base is in the shape of a rectangle, and the formula for area of a rectangle is base times height. And now you just work out this equation to find total surface area.